One I think, you see, me always say this. I learn from other people's mistakes, so I don't make the same mistake that they made. You see, Vibes Cartel go to prison. You see, Ninja Man go to prison.
Yeah.
You see, Squash go to prison. So, would I feel like say these entertainers would I take all of them something and say, yo, you know, me don't want to go down the road where Cartel go down. I say, me think man them would I say, yo, you don't want to go down the road there, you know.
Don't want to go down the road. Let me stay far away from
yo, when I promising artists them when me look up to dog and say, yo, then youth ya, they are far if you go. Man get caught up in a same fuckery. Me I talk about none other than Labas himself.
Labas. He come straight out of the 6 camp, bro.
Out of the 6 camp.
So, him have the example right in front of him, yeah.
It's sad because you wouldn't think, say, yo, remember say them people here, them are embassy that country, you know. Anytime you step out on an international scene, you have to remember, say, yo, you represent Jamaica as a Jamaican.
And remember, me tell you this already, you know. But you see, it starts from the mind, because you have to change your mindset.
Mm-hmm.
What you have to understand, say, Jamaica no run like America.
True.
And with everything we happen right now, bro, as you do nothing so, then depend on you.
If you want to do, what you're supposed to do, work, make your money, make Jamaica proud and make the Jamaican people proud.